Hello dear children, today let's continue the lesson Golu Grows a Nose written by Rudyard Kipling. In our previous class, we have studied that Golu visits the Limpopo river to see crocodile. But there the crocodile hurts Golu, and we have studied that Golu was in trouble. Yes, so let's continue the chapter without any further delay. Golu sat back on his little haunches and pulled and pulled. The crocodile slipped into the water, making it all creamy with great sweeps of his tail. And he also pulled and pulled. Let me explain the para. Golu sat back on his little haunches. Haunches means backside, legs. And pulled and pulled. The crocodile slipped. Slipped means went. The crocodile went into the water, into the river, making it all creamy. Making it means here water. Making that water all creamy with great sweeps of his tail, with full of strength, struggle. And he also pulled and pulled. One side Golu and another side crocodile. Both are pulling. Then the python coiled himself around Golu's stomach and said, "Let's pull harder." Golu dug in all his forelegs in the mud and pulled. The nose kept on stretching. What is mentioned here? Then the python coiled himself around Golu's stomach and said, "Let's pull harder. We both pull together." Golu dug in all his forelegs in the mud and pulled. The nose kept on stretching. Stretching means extending. At each pull, the nose grew longer and longer, and it hurt Golu. The nose was now 5 feet long, but it was free at last. Golu sat down with his nose wrapped up in a big banana leaf and hung it in the great grassy Limpopo river to cool. What is mentioned here? Golu sat down with his nose wrapped up, means covered up, in a big banana leaf and hung it in the great grassy Limpopo river to become cool. Golu sat there for 2 days waiting for his nose to cool and to shrink. It grew cool, but it didn't shrink. What is mentioned here? Golu sat there for 2 days. Why? For waiting for his nose to become cool and to become shorter. Shrink means, already I have written here, shorter. And one more meaning, small in size. It grew cool, but it didn't shrink. It means here, nose became cool, grew cool, but it didn't shorter. It didn't become small in size. At the end of the second day, a fly came and stung Golu on the shoulder. Golu lifted his long nose trunk and with it hit the fly dead. At the end of the second day, a fly came and stung. Stung means bit. Stung is a V2 of sting. Sting is a V1 and stung is a V2. Sting means to beat, hurt, beat, bit, beaten. Golu on the shoulder. Golu lifted his long nose. Now that nose became as trunk, and with it hit the fly dead. Advantage number 1 is the python. You couldn't have done it with a small nose. Try and eat a little now. Advantage number 1. Benefit number 1. Said the python, you couldn't have done it with a small nose, with your previous nose. Now try and eat a little now. Golu put out his trunk and plucked a large bundle of grass. He dusted it against his forelegs and stuffed it into his mouth. Golu put out his trunk and plucked means took a large bundle of grass. He dusted it means he cleaned it, removed against his forelegs and stuffed means and kept it into his mouth. Advantage number 2, benefit number 2. He's the python, said the python. You couldn't have done it with a small nose. Don't you think the sun is too hot now? Don't you think the sun is too hot now means don't you think today's weather is too hot? Then Golu scooped up some mud from the bank and slapped it on his head. Golu scooped means dug up some mud from the bank and slapped it on his head. Advantage number 3. He is the python, said the python. You couldn't have done it with a small nose, with your old previous nose. Now you can do it. Then last para. Thank you, Mr. Python, said Golu gratefully. I'll remember all this and now I'll go back to my family. What is mentioned here? Thank you, Mr. Python, said Golu gratefully means thankfully. I will remember all this and now I will go back to my family. That's all for today. Here there are 10 questions are there. So these questions answer I will ask in the interactive session. So be ready for it. After asking these questions answer, later on I will send these answers. Okay, but first I will ask these questions answer in the interactive session. Then I will send answers. Okay children, have a good day.